Let's learn letters A to Z. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ant with tiny feet. B is for ball, bounce so high. B is for bird flying in the sky. C is for cat, soft and small. C is for car, driving tall. D is for dog, wagging tail. D is for duck, on the trail. E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for egg, all day long. F is for fish, swimming deep. F is for frog that jumps and leap. G is for goat, eating grass. G is for girl in her class. H is for hat, on your head. H is for hen laying egg in bed. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. I is for igloo made of snow, so neat. J is for juice, fresh and nice. J is for jelly, shaking twice. K is for kite, flying high. K is for king, waving high. L is for lion, loud and brave. L is for leaf, the wind will wave. M is for monkey in the tree. M is for moon, we all can see. N is for nest, up so high. N is for nose on your face, so shy. O is for orange, round and bright. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for parrot, green and bright. Q is for queen with shining crown. Q is for quiet, no big sound. R is for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. R is for rainbow on the top. S is for sun, shining bright. S is for star at night, so light. T is for tiger, strong and fast. T is for tree, tall and vast. U is for umbrella in the rain. U is for unicorn in fairy lane. V is for van, driving away. V is for violin, we play. W is for rainbow in the sea. W is for watch, tick, tick, see. H is for sun, boom, ding, ding, ding. Play the music.